Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix up your connection was interrupted or network change was detected. Error network change fix. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all, in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt. Right click, run as administrator. After opening a command, type a command is netsh space int space ip space reset and press enter. After that, type a command is netsh space winsock space reset and press enter. After that, type a command is ipconfig space /flash DNS and press enter. After that, type a exit and exit the command prompt, and after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.